Okay. Why did you use my phone?
I looked up from underneath the edge of that. See the boat go straight across.
Right over here, it just keeps going over and over in the same place. There went another YouTube video. No, I'm kidding. As soon as it's over, I'm sending it to MSN in the other time. Somebody's studying it somewhere. It keeps doing it the same place over and over. Look, same place over and over. Hey, Carl? Carl, is that thing grounded?
Is that lightning rod over there grounded?
Is your lightning rod grounded?
Which one?
The tall one.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Close the other one. No, we're not talking grounded by the house. No, it's grounded on the ground wire all the way from the antenna down inside the ground. That's good.
Goodness sake. Wow. Imagine being out in the middle of nowhere, the way to the city, seeing this.
It wouldn't be the first time it got struck by lightning.
I'll never see it again.
Yeah, I got struck a couple years ago by lightning.